In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. That's right, how to completely delete it. So this is my Facebook account and I'm going to delete it. The way to do it, go to the top right of the screen, you have your picture up there and click on Account. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Now this part took me a long time to work out. But what you need to do, here in the Accounts Center at the top left, you need to click on Personal Details. It takes you to a new page and then go to Personal Details and then go to Account Ownership and Control. This is where you can deactivate or delete your account. So click on this button. It says to start the process, select what you'd like to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete. So it's this account here, I've only got one. You've now got a choice of deactivating your account or deleting your account. If you wish to delete it, click on this button here and then click Continue. Facebook wants an answer to one of these, but you don't have to choose one. And now it's giving me these options. I can keep my messenger but deactivate my account. I can save posts in your archive. I can download your Facebook information. It says I've got 2.7 thousand photos. I'm not sure about that. I can transfer it. It will also delete these pages because I was the admin for these pages as well. So if you've got any pages that you're the administrator for, they'll be gone. So at this stage, you might want to download your information. So if you wish to do that, you click Download Info, and you can then request a download. You can choose to select certain types of information or everything. Choose the date range that you want, so you can say all time, and then click Save. It'll be sent to your email, you need to submit request. But that is only if you want to download your information. If you don't want to download your information, or you have already downloaded the information and you've received the email, you can then follow the same steps that you did earlier to return to this part. We'll scroll down and we'll click on Continue. You need to enter your password. So I've typed my password in there. I'll then click Continue. And then finally, you'll be given the option to delete your account or cancel. If you click delete your account, then your account will be deleted forever. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.